Recently, a huge unidentified life form has appeared in the Central Pacific Ocean, described that the estimated length of the life form was over 120 feet, with a dark black body, huge fin-like limbs, and a long tail, and a diving depth of up to kilometers. According to directory inference data, the living organism is moving steadily towards the northeast at a speed of about 7 nautical miles per hour and is expected to arrive at the coastline in 7 days.
GuguGaga?
Target stops moving.
GuguGaga.
The target seems to be eating, but we cannot confirm the source of the food.
If the target approaches, attack immediately.
GuguGaga.
Fire!
GuguGaga?
Unable to parrot the target armor. Target's attack, requesting support.
GuguGaga.
Unknown life forms arrived at the coastline and broke through the outer defense line of the city with a destructive force. At present, the creature is still hovering near the beach and there are no signs of active destruction in the city. This creature does not have a strong tendency to attack, and attacking armed forces seems to be just its self-defense behavior. Next, let's connect with citizens to see their opinions on this creature.
It has destroyed the place where I worked, and now I have a long vacation. This monster is really cute, and I like it more and more.
This monster can always pull out cookies out of thick hair, and we cannot know where it stores these cookies, which does not conform with the physical laws. If we can study this, it will be of great significance to humanity.
GuguGagaga? GuguGaga!
Welcome to the Evening Channel. An unknown form of life has entered this city and caused some degree of destruction. However, many ecological and biological research experts still indicate that this organism belongs to a mildly unknown type and has an almost crazy interest in cookies. Now, since this creature is sleeping soundly on the street, let's go to the scene and get up close. Monster cookies! Alien cookies! Eating them can make you strong like a monster! The unknown life form has arrived in the city and is currently sleeping, but due to sleeping in the middle of the road, it has seriously affected traffic. The fear it brings. However, the impact of such a massive creature remaining in the city cannot be ignored should this creature go.
Very good. We have extracted the monster's saliva from this cookie. Perhaps we can find a way to deal with it.
The troops have arrived near the target and the target in attacking posture. Start taking action.
Huh? GuguGaga. GuguGaga.
The target has consumed hypnotatic cookies.
The target's reaction is intense, and they have started to counterattack.
GuguGaga.
We have discovered a stable signal source in space that maintains a transmission signal connection with the monster. We speculate that the monster's unlimited supply of cookies is derived from this transmission connection, which is a level of technology that humans currently cannot imagine.
Have you tried to decipher these signals?
We only identified one code for the signal source: Dijiang.
The target has arrived at a suburban mining site and it seems to be looking for something here.
GuguGaga? GuguGaga. 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 GuguGaga.
Immediately seize the ore.
At present, we know that no unknown life forms are related to signal source, which currently collecting a special quanwer. However, puzzles quanerologists that before there are almost no records of Wurligeri history. Just quanwer seem to have appeared on Earth out of flank flare. Perhaps the appearance of a massive life form is due to these quanerals that appeared out of flank.
GuguGaga? GuguGaga.
in the mine. And we can't even confirm if it's a living organism. It's unbelievable that something made up of rocks can fly at high speed in the air.
Its flight trajectory is... It is flying towards the direction of the invincible penguin in the city.
New unknown object has appeared in the mine, which directly attacked the penguin-like organism, caused effective damage to it. This is the first time we have seen it injured. The new life form has showed strong aggression, and the military is currently urgently evacuating the public. We will report the situation to you as soon as station.
Gaga. Gugu
收到管理员发来的攻击指令，正在锁定坐标。
地下号，清空区域。
Observation data shows that stone-structured life forms were instantly defeated by a beam of high-energy radiation emitted by an unknown signal source in space. This was in response to the giant penguin's roar, but the giant penguin has never attacked humans in this way. Its purpose is to deter stone-structured life forms, or are you digging up those mysterious ores in the mine? We have no way of knowing.
Gugu, Gaga. Gugu, Gaga.
Discover the target.
Turn on the amplifier and try to communicate for the first time.
Received.
Jackal.
Gugugagaga.
The target cannot understand our onophomatic broadcast.
Change the plan. Wait for the target to leave and collect relevant data from that machine. Remember not to conflict with it. Received.
Gugugagaga.
Wait, it seems to understand what we're saying.
The simulated voice-print communication plan failed, but we found that it seems to understand human language.
I see. Have you collected any relevant data about the machine in the mine?
We can't get close there. We can only see that it runs like a mining machine.
This should be its purpose.
Gugugagaga.
I don't think a special weapon made with this type of ore can harm it either. How can we know without trying? Let's stop attacking. It didn't attack us actively, so we don't need to provoke it. We can't just let that monster go. Its existence is a threat.
Use mineral weapons! Fire!
Gugaga.
The attack is effective, but only has a slight burn effect.
Continue attacking, with the main objective being to seize minerals.
Why bother it? Those minerals don't belong to Earth in the first place. Let it take them away. It has the ability to destroy us, but it hasn't done so. Why attack it? It's simply foolish.
Stop researching the ore plan quickly. That kind of ore is much more terrifying than we imagined. Waisha, that kind of ore contains extremely high energy, and you know its value. Anyone who comes into direct contact with ore has experienced this symptom. Compared to research value, this sacrifice is nothing, and we will find a cure.
GuguGaga. GuguGaga.
Sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up. I brought the ore with me. You can understand what I'm saying, right? Will you leave Earth with these minerals?
GuguGaga.
Is this a consequence of exposure to minerals?
GuguGaga.
It's terrible. Activate the nuclear bomb program.
Are you saying you want me to eat it?
GuguGaga. Guga.
It's really amazing.
Guga.
Thank you for the cookies. They taste great.
GuguGaga.
What? I understand. I will find a way. They are preparing to launch a nuclear bomb to attack you.
GuguGaga. GuguGaga.
Leave that penguin and hand over the ore!
Guga. GuguGaga.
Everyone retreat. The plan begins to be executed.
GuguGaga. Guga. Guga. GuguGaga.
Last night, the authorities launched a bomb plan without warning and dropped a bomb on the penguin monster. However, even the bomb was easily defused by the penguin monster, preventing the catastrophic disaster. Nevertheless, although the disaster was avoided, the anger of the public cannot be extinguished.
People who have had direct contact with minerals, come and have a biscuit.
Recently, detailed data shows that special minerals cannot be detected in suburban mines, and the penguin monster has also dismantled the previously placed mining machines. Its purpose seems to have been achieved. Now, the penguin monster has reached the coastline and seems to be leaving us.
GuguGaga.
There's no way. Launch nuclear bombs.